Hi guys! Kumars, hello! Gawa tayo ng orange chicken. So I have, cornstarch, got egg, baking soda, lagyan na din natin ng paminta, then asin. Then, haluin natin. Tapos, deep fry natin to. Deep fry. Okay, let's prito. Double fry pa natin. Okay, kung Mars, na double fry ko na to, gawa tayo ng orange sauce. Garlic. Na ang ating parang orange sauce. Orange juice. A little bit of ketchup. Color oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon. The vinegar, tablespoon. And then sugar. Lagyan natin ang chili flakes. And then our cornstarch with water. Okay, palaputin natin. Okay, patayin nyo yung apoy. Isunod na natin to. Yan. Then toss. Lang mag-coat lahat. There you go, our orange chicken. And lagyan natin ng sesame seed. Then our spring onion. Hey, thank you.